Okay, so I'm very happy to start this next segment, which is basically a very important link in the success of medical innovation, which is the business side, the investment and how to acquire, receive investments and the future trends in investments. So I'd like to, this session also we have on the internet, I'm not sure if she's available now, Vivian, but we can start on our current panel right here. So I think first we would like to invite our panelists to introduce yourself and talk a little bit about the investment strategy and philosophy of your company. What type of company you are looking for, and how do you differentiate yourself from other investment companies? Yes, please.
Good day, everybody. This is Jackie Yan from Translink Capital. We are Silicon Valley-based VC firm, but leverage our connection in Asia. So we have partners in Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. More importantly, all of our partners have corporate venture experience representing Asian technology company in their Silicon Valley operation. So our idea is instead of working for one particular corporation, we bring a huge network to a startup company in Silicon Valley. During the due diligence, we will take them to visit potential customer or partner in Asia. At the same time, we also invest in a company in Asia since we travel so much. We apply the same idea. We will take the company in Asia to global. Maybe take a company from Taiwan to Japan, to Korea, or even to the US. That's our investment strategy. In the digital health side, we don't do drug discovery. The main focus is on the digital health side. That's more related to the IT infrastructure that these three countries are strong.
Hi. So my name is IC. I'm the co-founder and the partner of Taiwan Global Angel, who is an angel group from global investor and also serial entrepreneur. So we majorly focus on early stage investment in Silicon Valley, and we bring in the unique resources like the manufacturing and clinical resource in Taiwan, but also we connect different area in digital healthcare and also like robotics with AI and machine learning, which is very important right now in the US. So we can tell the differences and also the urgent need from the staff in the US. And not only the money, but also the resource from Asia. On the other hand, we can bring the marketing and the channels in the Asia region, which can help them to expand their business. So by combining many experts in healthcare, investment, and also manufacturing from Taiwan, now we have 40 members and doing like typically 200,000 to 500,000 ticket size for early stage investment in the US.
Okay. Okay. And I just see that Vivian has linked on. Hi, Vivian.
Hey, greetings from the Bay Area in California.
Hi, Vivian.
Okay, she's now in Bay Area, and thank you for coming. You have a very nice green background.
we have quite the planned setting here.
Okay, and let me introduce Vivian a little bit before you introduce yourself. She is, we've known each other for quite a few years, and we collaborated together to train entrepreneurs under the IRCAD schools around the world several years. But now she's working in Intuitive Ventures, which is an investment arm of Intuitive Surgical, the maker of Da Vinci systems. Okay, Vivian, could you talk a little bit about the investment philosophy of your company, and how do you differentiate yourself from others, other maybe corporate VC firms?
Absolutely. And first of all, I would like to thank Wayne and the whole organizational committee for inviting me. It's my pleasure to speak to the audience here and to share a little bit more about Intuitive Ventures. So Intuitive Ventures is Intuitive Surgical's venture fund. It's a $100 million fund. We invest in early stage companies anywhere from C to Series C or Series D, actually. Anywhere across from medtech, in digital, and also in biotech. Mainly where we focus on is any new technologies which we feel are going to be the game changer of the future of minimal invasive surgery. And so that thesis is pretty broad. It can be anywhere from preventative to diagnostic to therapeutic. And it can touch anything from medical device to digital to even to therapeutics as well. So we have a pretty broad investment thesis. How we differentiate ourselves from other corporate VC groups is that we have a dedicated fund, and so we really function as a traditional venture capital fund. And so we do not just do one-off investments. We invest for the long run. And so when we invest in one round, we make sure to always allocate more money for following rounds. And we really try to be a true partner to our portfolio companies. And so we don't only do a monetary investment, but we also try to really help them to get to their next milestones by giving them access to resources within the company or anything what is their particular need in order to progress.